What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this Honda Odyssey. This is a 2014 model. If you have 11, 12, 13, 14, procedure should be same. We're gonna replace this cabin filter. That's a part number PTC. That's a brand 3047. It comes in this little box. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the vehicle on the passenger side. And right over here you have the glove box. Let's shut the car off. You don't want anything on. All right, so what we're gonna do is open this glove box. Simply it comes down. Once it comes down, you're gonna have a little plunger on this side. This little guy, you just push back on it, and that's it. And then you open this side. You're gonna pretty much push this and pull forward both sides. You see this is all I did. Push this in. And this with two hands you could do it together. It come right down. And this was a little plunger. I just pushed back. It's pretty much a hook goes there and it comes out. You push it right back. You got a few more basket back here. Anyways, right in here you have the arrow sign. You have this tray. This tray opens up. You just push on this tab and this tab and try to pull this tray out. And this cabin filter tray should come out simply and easily. Stuck on one side, and this thing looks terrible. It looks like in a terrible condition. All right, there you go. That's the cabin filter. A lot of times things will fall in there, so be careful nothing falls in there. But we got this little guy right here, and this is the cabin filter. Okay, you should change this filter every about 15,000 miles. So all you do is you grab this and you lift it up, and the cabin filter comes right off. Dispose it. You take this tray, clean it up really good. Okay, let's put this right here. You see this lip right here? And this lip right here, that's where the filter is gonna attach to. So let me get this filter out of this box. It's probably in a bag. And what we're gonna do is, all right, so these edges here are gonna go into that little guy, but you do need to follow the arrow. You see this arrow? You put it the same way, okay? The way it is just the flow of it. All right, but you can twist it around, that's no problem. And get this guy in there. Make sure it's locked on the edges because you don't want no air escaping. And look at this, it's done, ready to go back in. That's how simple it is. This shouldn't take you, even though I'm explaining, it shouldn't take you more than 3 minutes to do this job. All right, you take this new cabin filter with the tray, you stick it in, and just try to get this edge in there. And once it slides in, watch this, click, you're all done. You're gonna take this, make sure your plunger's out, and make sure you clip this right back in to the place where it goes. And you're all done. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.